Wait, wait,
Wait, freeze.
wait. Yeah. Look at how she left me. My heart is broken on the floor, someone collect me. The way I get on by the police try arrest me. I want to fit it in your socket, please connect me. Please connect me, tryna link. Got them wetter than they sink. I'm so thirsty, need a drink. Pop that tonton if it pink. Shake that tonton if it pink. Got them wetter than they sink. I'm so thirsty, need a drink. Pop that tonton if it pink. Shake that tonton if it pink.
Patterns and all them things.
Right. All them things is another way you can make money, but do you have the time to do that? Or you could leave it there until you could fix it for yourself. You wait until so you go in and come back out? Yeah. This is why when you get sick the last time, he make you pay all the way to here. Then they put them on the bam. But we don't want to go nowhere. This is what it is. Right.
Of your hand are thermoregulators for your body. Just like your forehead or the back of your neck, if you've ever had a fever and you put a cold compress on your head to cool down. Because your heart rate is going up, because your body tenses when you're stressed, you have more blood going through tighter tubes, your blood pressure goes up. And that causes you to get hotter. It's like you're exercising. So we can reduce the sweating and the blushing by cooling ourselves down. In fact, before I started speaking today, I was holding a cold bottle of water to help. So these are some of the things we can do to manage our symptoms of anxiety. If I didn't talk about a symptom you have, there are resources I'll share at the end of the talk that can help you find ways to manage your anxiety. Now there's another side too. We have to think about sources. Sources are the things that initiate or exacerbate our anxiety. There are many. Let me talk about one. Many of us are made nervous by the goal of what we're trying to achieve when we communicate. What makes you nervous is the fact that you might not achieve that goal. In other words, what's making you nervous is a potential negative future outcome. So how do we short circuit that? We become very present oriented. Because if you're in the moment, by definition, you're not worried about the future. So how do we get present oriented? One way is to do something physical. Walk around the building before you go in for that job interview. Another way is to listen. Here's why this is problematic. Think of your brain as a computer. This is not a perfect analogy, but for this point, a song or a playlist, just like athletes do. You can do what I do. I get present-oriented by talking to people. Before I got up here on stage, I was talking with many of you. That helps me get present-oriented. I can't engage in a conversation and be thinking about what might go wrong in my presentation or Q&A session.
Yeah.
Start at 100 and count backwards by 17s.
None.
That'll get you present-oriented. I know I'm in front of a crowd that's trying.
Why?
The first one's easy,
Because,
83, the next one's hard.
You talk
My
this board,
favorite way to get
but this
present-oriented
for now.
is to say tongue twisters.
No, I take them,
You
but I
can't
talk
say a
them.
tongue twister right and not be in the present moment.
So
Some of you
before
are
you
going,
put,
oh,
yeah, you put
that's
on
right.
the
I'm going
CD
to ask
and
you to say
put
my
on there,
favorite
good.
tongue twister.
Right, good.
I said this tongue
You first
twister
become
right
a
before I
sister,
walked
shit.
up. It warms
I
me
thought my
up.
cousin, but
It
she
gets
didn't
me
know here and I'm
present-oriented.
making she feel at
Many
home.
of us assume that we can
Yeah.
just go from silence to
Finally
brilliance
talk for that.
without warming up our...
Something with my daughter. I wanted this whole weekend off. I tell him that. And he tell me no because 2 weeks ago I'm going on holidays. And then one guy tell me, he said, Roland, it's going to be hard to the holidays, not until after October. Right? Because Eric going...
Well, go ahead, finish your thought.
Eric in August, September now, right? In the next couple of weeks, Eric going and Mike going.
Bigger, that don't make sense.
Yeah, it'll be fitting flat. It has something like remember when them bolts, you know. So take it out and put it flat. Right? And then when you put it up the line, you're going to know if it just fit inside of there. It has something else used to go on them bolts. But then they take it out. Just like this arm. You see this? It's supposed to have 2 like this. To support, to go to the bell housing. 2 like this is supposed I take them out. This one have 1. This one's supposed to have 1 too. You know, this have 1 here, and I can't remember the next one have. The next one's supposed to have. How many does it have? Only 1?
Only one.
It's supposed to have 2. It's supposed to have 2. I don't have man. There's support for this for the bell housing for the so this is go here so, and then this bolt up to the bell housing or this come. No, put this back here. This is supposed to go in so. So no, it's going in so. So this is going on. Put it in. Then tighten it up. Put it back.
Yeah, they fit it. Well, because you need to move it into place.
Right. So now all that going down there. You know, I think this was a bleed back. So what about this one? You gotta put on this one now.
Yeah. I was looking at the O-ring. I think this is the new O-ring here. Go here. Yeah, that was the next CD to me. But I wanted to now pull this head around and do this head.
You know, I find it kind of interesting too how all of this is unfolding like right after the Labor Day weekend. Now, that doesn't mean like everything, but a lot is happening after this Labor Day weekend. Like the bus patriots, well, obviously they are, but the way they plan this out, like it's like they plan this. You can see it, yeah, you can see it in advance. But
Wapnin. We're, doing some work on a helicopter. Thought y'all should take a look. Take a break from being in the hangar. Well, being in the garage to being in the hangar. Welcome to the hangar edition. Let's see what's in the hangar. E-130 Airbus helicopter. Right now we're just doing some work on the tail.
Here's another one now coming out of inspection. Engine work, airframe work, blades are off. Here's the before. You can see the damage. This is a different helicopter, but you can clearly see the damage on the tail. And this is the damage afterwards. Same damage, but paint touch-ups. You can clearly see it blends in pretty good. So that's what a day's work looks like. A little sneak peek. I try to keep up the updates. Let's see what happens. If you like this, comment down below. Let me know what you think. Give thanks. Talk to y'all in the next one.